How to change your gender on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the storylines in top corner, and here you will find settings and then click this one, account, and then click personal information, and here you will find gender. Just click on it, and if you want to change it, just select anything you want. Here you can select female and then just click save, and now go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change your gender on Instagram Live. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.